Today, I am planning to give a more authentic look to this mirror, creating the textures and the layers with the chalk paint. When I am planning to achieve an old look, my first cover is always with the texture. I am using a graphite chalk paint with the sawdust as a medium here. Later, you will see why it is helpful to have a dark color first. After my first coat is completely dry, I am taking a tiny bit of giverny chalk paint on a sponge and lightly dabbing it into the surface. Here it is dry. I do the same process with the aubusson blue. And also let it dry. My next step is a Paris grey chalk paint, applied using the same technique. All other coats are dry underneath. I am using anniesloanchalkpaint in this project. Then, to make the grey paint less visible, I lightly go over it with the aubusson blue. Here you can see why I used the dark color to start with. If you watched my other videos, you know that normally I use a dark wax, brown or black or both, at the end to deepen the low points. But here the paint did it. The lighter colors hit the high points, leaving dark shades in the low areas. Sanding it all, exposing the gold which was originally there. I am taking some of the antique gilding wax and brushing the edges of the details. To achieve more worn-out effect, I added a tiny bit of an antique gilding wax into a brown wax to give the brown wax some shine. And I'm applying it on the top of the gilding wax, smearing it over, giving it more faded look. Also, I covered with this all surface. And to finish, I'm brushing the very edges of the details with the antique gilding wax. And here it is done. This is a quite easy process to achieve the layers and create a beautiful old look. If you want to see how I painted this chest, click on the link at the end of this video. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you again with more fun projects.